Hi guys, this is Cycle 1, Week 5, and we're just going to go over all the new grammar we learned last week. Okay, we'll start off with the timeline. We have Judah falls to Babylon, temple destroyed, Babylon falls to Persia, Jews return and rebuild the temple. And they go, yay! Roman Republic, Golden Age of Greece, Peloponnesian Wars. Persia falls to Alexander the Great. So we have Judah, which is a J, falls to Babylon. Temple, which is a T on top of your hand, destroyed. Babylon falls to Persia, which is a P, like that. Jews return and rebuild the temple. Roman Republic, R and R, Golden Age of Greece, Peloponnesian Wars. This is the letter G, and we're making kind of like the Greek helmet that covers your nose. Peloponnesian Wars. And then Persia falls to Alexander the Great. And Alexander is the letter A, and then we do thumbs up for the Great. Okay. Then we have our history sentence, which was a long sentence this week, and that goes like this. Tell me about the split of the Roman Empire. The Roman Republic fought the Punic Wars, which were followed by the Pax Romana. In 286 AD, the empire divided into the Western and Eastern Empire until Germanic barbarians defeated the Western Empire in 476 AD. So, real quick, the Roman Republic, R&R, fought the Punic Wars, which were followed by the Pax Romana. And this means Roman peace, so we're doing wiping the slate clean. In 286 AD, the empire was divided into the Western and Eastern Empire. And this is your left and right hand. Until Germanic barbarians defeated the Western Empire in 476 AD. Then we had a song that we sang for geography to show where all the places were for the Egyptian Empire. So it went like this. The Egyptian Empire, Nile Delta flows into the sea. The Nile River curving down in Africa you see. Upper Egypt in the south, Lower Egypt in the north, east, west, deserts right and left, and Crete's an island in the sea. Egypt. If you look on your map, Egypt is a square. So that's why at the end we say Egypt, because Egypt is one of the places on the geography list. So it starts off with you singing the Egyptian Empire, Nile Delta. The Nile Delta is on top. It splits into two and says flows into the sea because it goes into the Mediterranean Sea. The Nile River, which extends down. The Nile River curving down in Africa, you see, it goes all the way through Africa. Upper Egypt is in the south of Egypt, and Lower Egypt was in the north of Egypt. And I believe it was because of the mountain range. I believe that's what it said when we read about it a while ago, that there were like mountains down here, so they were upper, and it was more plains and valleys up in the north, so they were lower. I think that's how it is. Don't quote me on that. So you say Upper Egypt in the south, Lower Egypt in the north, east, west. So we have east and west deserts. And on the map, when you look, obviously, east is on the right, west is on the left. That's why we say east, west, deserts, right and left. So they're putting the right hands up. And Crete's an island in the sea up here. And then we say Egypt, and we make a square. Okay, so you can go over the map with them, and the song should help. I will try to write it out for you in the email. And then we have prepositions, And we're ending with the B's and starting with the C. So we have our B and we say between, beyond, but, oh, beyond, I'm just pointing forward, beyond, but, by, concerning. So we have between, beyond, but, as in like, hold on, but, by, concerning. And one of the kids suggested making a C and pointing to his head, I think Nathaniel, which would have been a good idea because we start with the C's then, concerning. Then we have math, 9s and 10s. And then we have noun endings for Latin. We start doing the second declensions. We're using the same song as the first. It's just different endings. And they go like, this is how you say them. Us, e, o, o. E, orum, is, os, is. And so we sing us, e, o, o, us, e, o, o, us, e, o, o, singular second declension. E, orum, is, os, is, e, orum, is, os, is, e, orum, is, os, is, plural second declension. And then finally we have science. What are the major groups of invertebrates? And we say the major groups of invertebrates are sponges, sting cell animals, flatworms, roundworms, segmented worms, mollusks, sea stars, arthropods. And we even had a song, and it went, sponges, sting cell animals, flatworms, roundworms, segmented worms, mollusks, sea stars, arthropods. And I think that's it. All right, I'll see you guys on Thursday.